Hi. Okay. I bought on Timo this Ejeas, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Ejeas, something like that. Um, it is a motorcycle intercom system, very cheap, and I'm just going to try it and see if it works. Um, I'm not under any illusion to think that it's going to be like Freecom or all those higher end brands. But I'm going to use it, and I'm going on 1,000 kilometers trip now. These next few days, and then I'm going to try it out. Listen to music. Hopefully, people can phone me, see how it works. So let me unbox this quickly, and then from there, I can tell you what my experience is on this 1,000K trip with this product. Okay, this is the box. Ejeas, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is the box. I'm trying to work with one hand here. Yeah, the paper, the booklet, and here is the thing. Well, the unit. It actually feels not too bad quality. I think it looks fine. Like I said, please don't compare this to Freecom. Um, but it doesn't feel too cheap. It actually feels quite nice. Okay, this is the earphones and how to put it. Yeah, your microphone, earphones, and wiring and everything. Okay, this is the Velcro stickers that goes in your helmet. This is your hard microphone, and this is your earphones. It's quite flat. Um, I think this is the unit that sticks to your helmet to stick your to slide your your intercom unit on, and this is the charging unit. It scan QR code to download official app. So here you can download the app. Here you can download the app for iOS or Android, and there's a warranty and whatever. Cool. Now I just fitted this Ejeas intercom system, and it's okay. The sound is probably not the loudest, um, but it's actually really a nice little thing. Oh, wait, let me. Okay, and here is my microphone, and inside I there was enough space in this helmet to put the earphones. Everything fits nice. It's nice and flat, and oh, I'm suffering to keep this helmet. Yeah, okay, but the thing is working very nice. And then I downloaded the app on the phone. It's not the best app in the world. It's actually quite clunky, but everything is working. I will let you know how it sounds on higher speed, but yeah. I've got this, like I said, this Ejeas. Still not sure how to pronounce it. It's not bad. It is working. It's answering phone calls. It's probably doing what it needs to do. You can hear up to, I'd say, 115, 120 kilometers per hour. You can comfortably hear the music in your ears. The biggest stuff I've got is its app. Now, every time I don't know if it's my phone or what it is, but every time to make the everything works, I have to repair this intercom system. So every time with my phone, it's not just put it on and then it's paired. And it's a pain in the ass, and it doesn't. Sometimes it pairs and sometimes it doesn't. It's not bad. You get what you pay for, but the thing is, I don't think. Yeah, it's not the best, but it's working. If your budget is in rand, basically 500 rand, that's South African. So dollars wise, oh yes, how much is that divided by 18 or whatever? But if you want to go cheap, yeah, well, this is fine. This will work. It's not bad. But no, yeah. So that is my opinion of this. So make with it what you want.